Welcome. In this video, we will illustrate how to simulate and design a gravity wall in RetainEX. Initially, we double-click on the wall and select to edit the structural section. In the dialog that appears, we can choose the desired wall shape. In this example, we will simulate an inverted T-shaped wall. We can adjust all section dimensions. We will add a new construction stage and backfill behind the retaining wall on the model area. We access and edit the model stratigraphy by adding a new soil layer at elevation minus 10 feet. We will use there a medium dense sand. Next, we draw an external load behind the wall. In the surcharge dialog, we can adjust the load coordinates and magnitude. We add a new construction stage, and in the Slope tab of RetainEX, we select to perform slope stability analysis. We select the General Limit Equilibrium method. We can also adjust the left and right search limits for the critical slope surface. We run the analysis and check the critical results in the calculation summary table. On the model area, we can display several result graphs such as the wall moment and shear diagrams, horizontal and vertical soil pressures, and more. We can access the wall section, and in the Results tab, we can see the different results for sliding, overturning, and bearing conditions. By running the slope stability analysis, we can see the critical slope surface and the slope stability safety factor. Thank you. Visit our website and discover how our software can elevate your engineering designs.